Hey there, sassy people. Welcome back to Mature Sass. I hope that everybody is well and doing just great. Thank you for stopping by. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber. Now, a couple of months ago, I don't know if you remember or not, but I did a style collaboration, a style switch collaboration with Kayla from Kayla's Closet. I will link it up in the cards if you haven't seen it or if you'd like to go back and take a look at it. But anyway, I didn't really find anything that I absolutely loved from Stitch Fix. And so I did put a note into, I think it was Melissa, was the stylist, that I would give it another try, but I would put it under a 2-month plan. So it has been 2 months. It's December now. So guess what came? My December Stitch Fix. So I went ahead and I cut it open. And the only two things that I really said that I really wanted that I hadn't really been able to find is a chunky mock neck dark brown sweater and very dark jeans. If you didn't have dark jeans in green, green jeans. If you didn't have any in green, then just don't send any jeans at all. So let's see how Melissa did this time. Fingers crossed. Okay. Oh my goodness, I think I have shoes. But anyway, you get this little packet. Thanks for letting us style you. And then you get a style card. Let's see. And on the style card, they give you different ways to style your items. And what I think I'm going to do is I think that I am going to just try them on. I don't know. I might take a peek. I might show them to you first. I don't know. Hold on. I did bring them. Just don't have them on. Oh my God. I have a pair of booties in here. I hope they're a wide width because that's what I need. There's the Dani Bootie. Looks like there's a sweater. A couple of sweaters. And it looks like there's jeans in here, even though I said no jeans, but we're going to go with it. Let's see what I have. And actually, I think I will go ahead and show everything to you. All right, let's just start with the shoes, shall we? Oh, hold on. Let's see what Melissa has to say first. Hello, Linda. I'm sorry we missed the mark on your last fix, and I'm hoping you like something today. With the holidays in full swing, I wanted to style 2 different ideas for you: a regular day and a family get-together. Okay. I pulled the Curve Appeal jeans for you to try. Didn't I say no jeans? Unless they were dark green. I don't know. Who knows? They could be dark green. Let me not start. What do you think of the color? Pair these jeans with the Market and Spruce pullover. I know this isn't a mock neck, but I think you'll love the tan hue. Okay, so I said a dark brown sweater. Complete the look with the on-trend report footwear booties as you go to a casual dinner. I'm sorry I couldn't find a faux leather pencil skirt. Oh yeah, I did say that. In your size, but I will keep my eye out for the next time. Please let me know of any feedback you might have as we fine-tune future fixes to your style and needs. Your partner in style, Megan XO. Uh-oh. I wonder what happened to Melissa. Okay, let's see how Megan did. First thing off the bat, there is a pair of booties. Oh, these are cute. Now, I wonder if she read my thing that said that I needed a wide width, because these definitely don't look wide. But they're cute, and I'll try them. I don't think they're going to fit, but I'll try them. All right, so let's see what we have next. Okay, here's the bundle. and see. Okay, first thing off the bat is oh, it's a hoodie. That's cute. This is, it's burgundy, and it has stripes around the sleeve down near the bottom. Okay. All right, this is the Kallon brushed knit hoodie in burgundy. Okay. This looks like another one of those kind of plaid-like shirts. And I put in my note, no plaid, but we're just gonna go with it. Okay. Okay. This is the Franklin Plaid V-neck Pintuck tunic in blue. Ooh, now, Megan, you might have redeemed yourself. This feels plush, plush, plush. Okay, this is the Market and Spruce Sharlene Fair Isle Cotton Blend Pullover. You know what? Megan is on it because I asked her if she could do something in like a natural fiber blend. And please, no wool or acrylic. Wool sets me on fire and acrylic just stretches out to that. Okay, this is kind of cute. Let me see what's mixed with this cotton blend. Let's see. This is cotton, rayon, and nylon. Okay, Megan, you're on it. Oh, and I'm sorry, these are green. Okay. Give me a minute. Nobody ever calls me until I start filming. Okay, I'm back. It was a wonderful telemarketer. These are the Curve Appeal Archer Skinny Jean in dark skinny jeans in dark green. Okay. All right, so we will give them a try. Okay, so I will be right back, and I will try to style them the way that, where's my card? The way that Melissa said to, I'm sorry, Megan said to. Okay, the burgundy top, she says to either put them with jeans or blue pants and a denim jacket. That cotton blend sweater, she says to pair with, is that a denim skirt and a white shirt? And then on the other side, pair it with jeans and a long jacket. The green skinny jeans down here. She says to pair it with a denim jacket and a graphic tee. I don't even know if I have a graphic tee other than my Adidas. Or pair it with a cardigan and looks like a jacket. All right, let's see what we can do. I will be right back with the try on. Okay guys, here's the very first outfit. This is a plaid top by Ava James. It's called the Franklin Plaid V-neck Pintuck tunic. And it's cute. They've paired it with the Curve Appeal Archer skinny jeans. Both pieces fit me very well, I can say that. Most of you probably already have realized I'm not really a plaid shirt kind of girl. I don't do flannel plaids a lot. I purchased them and then I don't wear them, and then I end up giving them to someone. So I'm just not sure. Um, I'm thinking that the top is going to be a no. Now, Megan did really well picking out these dark green jeans. They fit me well, but this is going to be the biggest problem with a subscription service and myself. I am a shopaholic. I confess, I admit it. So more than likely, when a stylist styles me, I can probably go pull something from my closet that's going to be very similar. And I do have something very similar. Not only do I have green jeans in almost that shade of green, I have a whole suit. And so I really don't need these skinny jeans, which I probably wouldn't wear anyway. I don't know. We've got to look at prices at the end, but more than likely, I don't know about this. Definitely. And the jeans, I don't know. I have to wait and see. Because if it's going to make sense for me to keep like a whole box of stuff for the price, who knows? Never say never, right? Let's look at the next outfit, shall we? All right, we're ready for the next outfit. Now, Megan had in the picture to pair this with a pair of jeans, but since there's black banding and gray banding around the sleeves, I just picked up this pair of black jeans the other day from Belk because they were on a killer steal. They had been $65 and they were on clearance for $15, so I grabbed them. You can always use a pair of black jeans. I can pair it with just any kind of top or a sweater and run errands or just knock around the house all day. This is Mix by 41 Hawthorn. It's called the Kallon Brush Knit Hoodie. And let me just show you. It's kind of like a tunic length. It feels very soft. I do like it. Now, depending on the price, it's going to depend on whether I love it or not. You know, the sleeves are always going to be too long because I'm a shorty. But it feels very soft. I don't know if it's a little big under there or I don't know. In order for me to keep this, it's going to have to be no more than like $38-40. I like it. I'm just not in love with it because this for me would just be like a lounge item, like to just lounge around the house in. And we'll see. Let's put on the sweater. All right, let's take a look at the last outfit. But first, these booties by Report. I love them. That would have been a perfect height heel for me. But they're not a wide width, and I can't even get them on. They don't even slide on. So those are going to be a definite no without me even thinking about it. I don't know, do they actually read what you put on those lists? Because I said that any kind of a shoe or boot would definitely take a wide width. These are not a wide width. Okay, so let's just go on with the sweater. This sweater is by Market and Spruce. It's the Sharlene Fair Isle Cotton Blend Pullover. And I left it on with the black jeans. If there was anything in this box that I'm going to keep, it would be this. So, I don't know. You guys tell me what you think about it, how it looks, how it fits. I'm going to need you to tell me right away because I just got the box. And I think I only have 2 days because it came yesterday afternoon. So I'm going to put this video up right now. It is Friday evening, and I need for you by tomorrow to tell me whether you think that I should keep this or not. All right, guys, until next time, make sure that you thumbs up the video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, I would love to welcome you, love to have you. And make sure if you subscribe to touch the red subscribe button and also tap the notification bell. That way you'll be notified whenever I'm uploading my next video. And to all of my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in and taking a look at my fix. I don't know. I might end this subscription. I mean, this is my second fix, and I know that that's not much, but most of you already know I style myself, and I think I do a pretty good job in styling myself. And the thing about me as the stylist, I already know what I like. I already know that it's going to fit or not because I order from certain places. And I don't know. I have to think it through. I might continue in 2 months, or I might have to just tell them that I'm going to kind of pause it for now. Let me know what I should do, what you think I should do. Until next time, guys, keep it sassy. See you next time.